What's this great big thing doing in my vineyard? Well, it's a machine harvester, and it is by far and away the best way to pick grapes these days. It's an incredibly expensive bit of kit, but it's expensive for a reason. It's very elaborate, it's very sophisticated, and it basically has these sort of plastic arms inside that knock the grapes off the vines into these little plastic scoops that then convey the grapes up through the middle of the machine into these side pods. So I mean, it's incredibly efficient. It's much more economical, but the main thing is that actually once the grapes are fully ripe, you just get in this machine and harvest. You don't have to wait for a team of pickers to become available. You can really react quickly, which is fantastic. But it also means, and most importantly, is that we can pick at night. And I'll explain why a little bit later in the video that that's so important.
So it's 4 AM in the morning, and I'm standing on top of a machine harvester, harvesting these wonderful old Grenache vines. I've never been on such a machine in my life. It's a little bit scary actually, but it's quite cool.
6:30 in the morning, the sun is rising behind me over beautiful Provence. We've been harvesting since 3 AM this morning. We harvest always at night, between 3 AM and we stop at 11 AM because it's cooler. You've got to pick grapes for white wines and for rosé wines in the cool of the morning, because you want the grapes arriving in the winery really cold and fresh, because that way you preserve the aromatics, you preserve the crispness, and you basically prevent any premature oxidization and even premature fermentation, which can sometimes happen if you're picking in the middle of the afternoon, which is what you kind of a lot of wineries are still doing. So hopefully this is another sign of the quality and the obsessiveness we have about getting this just right, and it'll come through in the wine next year when you try the 2011 vintage of Mirabeau.